See, the lectures, as far as lectures are concerned, once you exceed 100, it does not matter whether it is 100 or 1000. Once it is above 100, then it is, whether it is 200 or it is 400 or it is 500 or 600, does not make a difference. And the number of questions, the number of interactions, people say that in such big class, how can students interact with the teacher? Okay. But in that class of 440 also, the interaction level is same as it is in class of 200 और 100. वो 3-4 से ज़्यादा बच्चे तो कभी बोल ही नहीं सकते, 400 में से भी वो भी नहीं बोलेंगे. आप बुलवाओगे तब बोलेंगे, ज़बरदस्ती बुलवाओगे तभी बोलेंगे, सभी शांत रहने वाले हैं. तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, मर्जी है जितने बिठा लो. But yes, the difference in IIT Kanpur at least was in tutorials, because previously we had system of tutorials after each lecture, or at least twice a week we had tutorials, and in those tutorials the strength was 30, then it increased to 35, then it increased to 40. Okay. But after that people thought that no, this system we do not have faculty strength, and then now we have tutorials of 120 students. Yes, their this interaction. So the tutorial lost its meaning because of this high strength.